white Chrysler after the hearing on February 28th.
36, 10-4. All units is 1063, 1063 for 36, 440 westbound, exit 1.
Southbound on Springer, call station.
10-4, copy southbound on Springer.
He crashed out. We're at the 365 split.
10-4, copy, crashed out at the 365 split. Hold it in that line.
Show me your hands right now. Get on the fucking ground. Get on the ground. Right now. Is there anybody else in the car? Turn around. On your stomach.
I didn't.
On your fucking stomach. Give me your other hand. Get up. What do you have on you?
I don't know.
I'm 1015 times 1, clearing the car now.
36, 10-4, lower RPD, 1019 as well as EMS.
10-4, how close is my closest unit? I might wait to clear the car until 1 gets here.
Okay, man, we'll try to get that.
There springs.
36, your closest troopers come from Dire Springs.
Hey, get back over there now! Get out of here! .36 quick net.
All units has 1064, resume normal traffic.
36 liter. Give me a canine out here. I believe there might have been other occupants that fled the scene.
10-4.
I was the only one in the car. It's just, I ain't gonna lie, people been messing with me about this car, so when you got behind me, I didn't know who you were. Like,
There was no one else in the car?
Nah, nobody else in the car.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest with you. I did get pulled over not too long ago.
Yeah, it was me.
I know, that's what I was saying, but nah, somebody
Yeah, you had two other dudes in your car with you.
When? No, when I just seen you at the store?
Yeah.
I just left the store by myself.
Alright.
But I was
You still dealing drugs?
Nah, it just, I seen y'all and I'm like, I ain't know who it was that turned that lights on. Like, I went by you regular, I was driving regular, but when I seen lights on, I'm like, nah, I ain't gonna lie, people been messing with me in the car. So when I seen you, and I seen lights, I ain't know who it was, but
dude, why didn't you just stop?
Cause I was trying to tell you, I ain't gonna lie, my tag is bad and I just got
Is it a stolen car?
Nah, so the judge had gave me the 6 months act. I'm not gonna lie. And I'm like, shit,
Bro,
I know
you just screwed up so bad.
I did. I wasn't trying to run. I didn't know who y'all was until
Okay.
you turned your lights on. That was the thing.
Clear out on 36. Are you on an EMS to stage in the area until we no further?
You can have EMS come to me. You can take 22 to K9. I don't believe he's got other arguments at this time.
36, 10-4.
Camera. If you'll go ahead and send, if you'll go ahead and send fire my way, the car's smoking pretty good.
36, 10-4.